Senator Bato de la Rosa may warrant of arrest na from ICC. Yun nga lang, ang information galing kay Trillanes. Watch this.
The ICC has issued a warrant against Senator Bato de la Rosa.
Warrant of arrest.
Warrant of arrest.
Ito ang anunsyo ni Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Remulla sa kanyang programa sa radyo.
Yan ba confirmed na, Ombudsman?
I think so. I would say so. Na I have it in good authority.
Oo.
Wala pa rin daw natatanggap si Interior and Local Government Secretary John Vic Remulla na red notice mula sa Interpol.
All that information came from Senator Trillanes. I heard the same. But I checked with the Center for Transnational Crimes ay wala naman nakukuhang red notice. Unverified news ang dumadating sa atin.
Maniniwala ba kaya if galing kay Trillanes? That's a big question there. Or baka naman gusto na naman nilang isegue or mawala yung chismis or yung news about flood control. Kaya nila nililihis na naman yung usapan about ICC. What do you guys think? Let me know. Medyo ako gusto ko na lang kumanta na meow 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 meow. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. Cheers, bye.